A startup tutorial highlights the key features of the student's screen. This will be available on initial login. If there is no connection to an instructor device, the students can enable and edit the ECG, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. To benefit from the full functionality of the app, we always recommend to connect to an instructor. However, you can operate student in standalone mode. The numerical values are adjusted by tapping the relevant areas for heart rate and other parameters. The next ECG can be prepared using the buttons along the bottom. The ECG which is on standby can be activated using the Activate ECG button. If there are test results available, the student can review these investigations by selecting the Investigations button. The students can silence or change the alarm parameters. This can be done by selecting the Alarms button.